Welcome to our channel. Today, we learn how to install EPDM flooring. EPDM flooring installation involves several steps, which we shall cover it with complete details in Part 1 and Part 2 of this video. If you watch both Part 1 and Part 2 of this video, you will be ready to do the installation of EPDM flooring by yourself. Firstly, prepare the base with either SBR granules or with SBR buffing material if you are making a cushioned floor for kindergarten. Make the marking as per the drawing and colors over the installed and dried SBR buffing layer. Then mix the EPDM granules with sufficient quantity of pew binder and evenly spread over the SBR base. Remember, thorough mixing is required so to achieve the desired viscosity to be able to bond with and hold long-lasting appearance. The mixture is then poured on the SBR base and evenly spread across in the marked areas as per the design and color respectively. Now evenly spread the prepared mixture of EPDM granules over the SBR base and compact, simultaneously using hand tools, and allow to dry for 24 hours.
Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell button. Remember to watch the part 2, coming soon.